He's come for the cause of Cancer Patient Aid Association, but he does not know that in 1970 onwards till today, his grandfather Raj Kapoor ji and Shashi Kapoor ji have been giving total support by giving premieres of all their films, including starting from Bobby onwards to us.
Thank you, Shaina ji, and the Cancer Patients Aid Association for bestowing this honor and inviting me here tonight. My Bua, my father's elder sister, has been battling with cancer since the past few years. Hence, this cause is very close to my heart. I thank the CPA for all the wonderful efforts that they've been showing in spreading awareness of cancer, the causes, the prevention, and the treatment of the disease. The intention of the organization in assisting the needy with the knowledge, with cure, is really marvelous, and I think we all should give a big hand towards that. I guess so. Let us all show compassion towards the cause, and I request all of you to help in any which way that you can towards this organization. Hope you have a wonderful night, and happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers.
I think the 3 stars are Rekha Sapru, Sillu Jazdanwala and YK Sapru of Cancer Patients Aid Association. A huge round of applause for them, because they work tirelessly. We come here, put this show together, and in one day, you're going to see a century. 101 celebrities, different achievers, cancer survivors, doctors, lawyers, actresses, television stars, models, you name it. And I can assure you that every woman going out of this auditorium is going to be happy, because she's going to say, I could be here next, and I will look as good as every real person.
I think what Mr. and Mrs. Sapru are doing is 45 years into healthcare, which is my complete lifetime. And I hope that each one sitting over here has not come only to get entertained with fashion, dance and music. And each one, if they can donate something and help some kid in this part of the world, would be great. Thank you for being here.
कपड़े डलवा के भेज रहे हैं, उन पे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है। जितने भी मॉडल रैंप पे चलिए, सबको 3-3 साड़ियाँ दी हैं, एक डाली हुई, एक इधर, एक पकड़ी हुई। ठीक है, उनमें से 2-3 साड़ियाँ मुझे नहीं दे सकते थे, लेकिन आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि हम इतने अच्छे काम के लिए यहाँ पर हैं और आप सबका सपोर्ट बहुत। अरे हाय, कैसे हैं आप? मैं ठीक लग रही हूँ ना बाकियों से ज़्यादा? वाह अंकल, आप तो बड़े नॉटी निकले। आप बिना बस पता नहीं, आजकल के लोगों को तो हीरे की परख है ही नहीं, आप असली ज्वेलरी निकले सर। और जितनी भी यहाँ पे प्यारी प्यारी सी मम्मियों ने रैप किया, सब अच्छी थी, अच्छी थी। आपकी वाइफ आई है? क्या बात है, पहली बार इतने नीडर हस्बैंड देखे मैंने, जो बीवी साथ में बैठी लेकिन दूसरी मम्मियां देख रहे हैं। जितने भी यहाँ पे हस्बैंड वाइफ बैठे हैं, जितने भी होते हैं, चाहे जितनी मर्जी सुंदर सुपर मॉडल आ जाए सामने छोटे कपड़ों में, जो फुल कॉन्फिडेंस ऐसे ऐसे मजा ले ताली भी बजा दे, क्योंकि साथ में अपनी सुपर मॉडल बैठी होती है ना।
Hello everybody, good evening. I love every one of you for coming out here and supporting us tonight. I love you so much, thank you so much. It is such an honor for me. This is my 13th year as the ambassador of Cancer Patients Aid Association. It has been a beautiful journey and it gets more and more special every year. I'd like to begin by thanking all you wonderful people in the audience today that have come out, supported us, donated for the cause, and you keep donating so wholeheartedly. Thank you so much to this wonderful audience. And also one more thing, all the wonderful clothes tonight that you have seen, the part of the proceeds from the sales will be going to help cancer patients in the CPAA. Today is Mother's Day, so all you wonderful people out there who are looking to buy a gift for your mom and have it already, it's a good idea. Lovely, beautiful clothes. And for me, today's Mother's Day is more special because my hero is my mom. And she always taught me to do something selfless. So all of us are doing something selfless and beautiful here tonight. What a wonderful way to celebrate Mother's Day. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And